Have you ever wondered why some people seem naturally calm while others struggle with constant stress and anxiety? What if I told you there's a scientifically proven practice that could transform your mental state in just minutes a day? Today we're diving deep into the world of meditation and exploring 5 powerful techniques that could completely change how you experience life. Before we jump into these life-changing methods, let's talk about what meditation really is. At its core, meditation is the art of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It's like going to the gym, but instead of building physical strength, you're developing mental resilience and emotional intelligence. The beautiful thing about meditation is that it doesn't require any special equipment, expensive memberships, or years of training to start seeing benefits. Research from leading universities has consistently shown that regular meditation practice can literally rewire your brain. Scientists have discovered that just 8 weeks of consistent practice can increase gray matter in areas associated with learning, memory, and emotional regulation while decreasing it in the amygdala, the brain's fear center. This isn't just feel-good pseudoscience anymore. This is hard neuroscience backing up what practitioners have known for thousands of years. Let's start with our first technique, focused breathing meditation. This is the foundation that every other form of meditation builds upon. Find a comfortable seated position either on a cushion or in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Close your eyes gently and begin to notice your natural breath. Don't try to change it initially, just observe. Feel the cool air entering through your nostrils and the warm air leaving your body. Now, begin to deepen your breath slightly. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 2, then exhale for 6. This ratio activates your parasympathetic nervous system, essentially telling your body it's safe to relax. As you continue this pattern, you'll notice thoughts trying to pull your attention away. This is completely normal and expected. When this happens, simply acknowledge the thought without judgment and gently return your focus to your breath. Think of your breath as an anchor in a storm of mental chatter. The second technique we'll explore is the body scan meditation, which creates a profound connection between your mind and physical body. Start by lying down comfortably or sitting with good posture. Begin at the top of your head and slowly move your attention down through every part of your body. Notice your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Are you holding tension anywhere? As you move through each body part, consciously relax those muscles. When you reach areas of tightness or discomfort, don't try to force them to relax. Instead, breathe into those areas and simply observe the sensations without trying to change them. This practice develops body awareness and helps release physical tension you might not even realize you're carrying. Many people discover they hold stress in their shoulders, jaw, or stomach through this practice. Our third technique is walking meditation, perfect for those who find sitting still challenging. Choose a quiet path about 10 to 20 steps long. Begin walking at about half your normal pace, paying complete attention to the physical sensations of walking. Feel your heel touch the ground, notice the weight shifting to your toe, observe the lifting of the other foot. The goal isn't to get anywhere, it's to be fully present with each step. When you reach the end of your path, pause mindfully, turn around slowly, and walk back. If your mind starts planning your day or replaying conversations, gently guide your attention back to the simple act of walking. This technique is especially powerful for people with anxiety because it combines movement with mindfulness. The fourth technique focuses on cultivating compassion through loving kindness meditation. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Begin by directing kind wishes toward yourself. Silently repeat phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be at peace, may I live with ease." Really try to feel the intention behind these words rather than just reciting them mechanically. After spending a few minutes with yourself, expand your circle of compassion. Bring to mind someone you love easily, perhaps a family member or close friend. Direct the same loving wishes toward them. Then think of a neutral person, maybe a cashier you saw today or a neighbor you barely know. Send them the same well wishes. Finally, if you're ready, think of someone you have difficulty with and try extending compassion to them as well. This practice gradually breaks down the barriers between self and others, fostering a sense of universal connection. Our fifth and final technique is mindful eating meditation. Choose a small piece of food, perhaps a raisin, a piece of chocolate, or a single bite of fruit. Before eating, examine it closely. Notice its color, texture, and shape. Smell it deeply. What aromas do you detect? Now place it in your mouth, but don't chew immediately. Notice how it feels on your tongue. Begin chewing very slowly, paying attention to how the flavors develop and change. Notice the urge to swallow quickly, but resist for a moment longer. When you do swallow, follow the sensation down your throat. This practice transforms eating from an unconscious habit into a rich sensory experience and can dramatically improve your relationship with food. Now that you've learned these 5 techniques, you might be wondering how to integrate them into your busy life. Start small with just 5 minutes a day. Choose one technique that resonates with you and commit to practicing it at the same time each day. Consistency is far more important than duration when you're beginning. Many successful meditators practice first thing in the morning because their minds are clearest and there are fewer distractions. Others prefer evening sessions to unwind from their day. Find what works for your schedule and stick with it. Remember, meditation isn't about achieving some perfect state of blankness. It's about developing awareness of your thoughts and emotions without being controlled by them. The benefits extend far beyond your formal practice sessions. Regular meditation improves focus and concentration, making you more productive at work. It enhances emotional regulation, helping you respond to challenging situations with clarity rather than reactivity. Studies show it can lower blood pressure, boost immune function, and even slow cellular aging. Perhaps most importantly, meditation cultivates a sense of inner peace that becomes your refuge during life's inevitable storms. Instead of being tossed around by external circumstances, you develop an unshakable center of calm that you can access whenever needed. As we wrap up today's exploration of meditation techniques, remember that this is a practice, not a perfection. Some days will feel easier than others, and that's completely natural. The key is showing up consistently, even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. Your future self will thank you for starting this journey today. These 5 techniques are your toolkit for building mental resilience, emotional intelligence, and inner peace. Choose one that speaks to you. Commit to practicing it daily and watch as it gradually transforms not just how you think, but how you experience every moment of your life. Which technique will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal development and mental wellness. Until next time, breathe deeply and stay present.